This is probably not going up, honestly. I already hate this video. Cool. So you might be wondering why I have a fucking chair next to me and all these supplies. The answer is because today we're making
slime!
And I have a special guest here with me today. Really don't want her in my video, but she's here anyway, so come on. So this is my cousin, Allie. We're gonna make some slime. So we went to the Dollar Tree and we got some
slime ingredients.
So the first thing we need are some
bowls.
We have our bowls. The next thing you're gonna need is some glue. I'm gonna be using clear glue. Allie's gonna be using white glue. Glue. So I don't really know how to make slime, so I'm just gonna wing it. So what you're gonna do is pull up your sleeves, and you're gonna insert your slime into the bowl if you can get it open. Oh. So just, you know, dump your slime into the bowl. Glue. I mean, dump your glue into the bowl. So the next thing you're gonna put in your slime is some
Tide.
Ooh. I'm just gonna dump. Why did I pour so much in? What was I thinking? Oh. Apparently I wasn't supposed to put that much, but I don't give a We bought sticks to mix our slime with. So that's what we're gonna do, so yeah. I don't know what you're talking about. Whatever. So my slime is not working out too good. So this is what my slime looks like. It's kind of just swimming in a puddle full of So now that our slimes are done, we have to decorate them. So we got a fine assessment here.
Assortment.
We have a fine assortment here of things we're gonna put in our slime. Let's do it. I'm spending my Valentine's Day
home alone and watching Netflix.
tea, sis.
The teas.
Yeah, I really am. I'm spending my Valentine's Day home alone by myself. My parents are going out to dinner, and
I don't have friends.
so that's how my Valentine's Day is gonna be. went and bought these little Valentine pop balloons. Alright guys, so thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. This is the first time I'm filming like an outro, so like,
That's dope.
but
Don't know.
well, if you try to make slime, definitely don't use our recipe for slime because it didn't really work. But it's the effort that counts. So have a great Valentine's Day and see you guys next week. You have to do my outro with me, ready?